our sequence goes, we might do this one first. So, because we've got to get that mobile in and out, because we need it other places. So we may start here, get the mobile in, and then move to this next sequence. If we can reuse them, we'll reuse them. If not, we're gonna have to build new jumpers if they're too short, too much slack, or whatever. We'll just have to see.
Okay.
I think Amar is planning on some new jumpers, in some places, but we'll have to see how that goes.
Do we need to get jumper material and stuff, or is that?
I'm not sure. I'll have to ask Amar that, and then I'll have Anita put that out on the,
Okay.
or Craig put that out if we are going to do it.
Okay.
And then this last outage, we have to kill all of this, both transformers. That's why we need to put the mobile in. So we'll be working on these two switches right here. Very last. And putting that's another question I have. It looks like they're putting another switch out here, so that to me looks like it's going to require some foundations and structure. But I've got to talk to Amar where he's planning on putting that.
Got the old hawk nest up in the corner, huh?
Yeah, she's over there squealing at us. She doesn't. Well, that's another thing we'll have to start, mid-June. We probably aren't going to be able to start much earlier than that because of her, because she's in here every year. She's got a nest, and about mid-June is when they're out of here. So.
You need that cleared out too.
Well, you know what? We cleared out every year. She just rebuilds it. It's right there. It's not falling on anything. It's not hurting anything, so we just leave her alone. Let her hang out. She's probably built it in the best place she could, so there's no sense in messing with it.
Gotta have a substation mascot.
Yeah, she gets pissy though when we're in here.
So you guys are gonna send out an addendum for if there is another switch that's added in?
Well, there is a switch. I mean, it shows a switch, but right there.
Right.
But to me, you're gonna have to put in foundations and stuff.
Right.
So,
Yeah.
yeah, I'm gonna have to talk to Amar. So yeah, we'll have to do it. Unless he had something else planned that I'm not aware of. But if there's a switch going there, we're gonna need some foundations and stuff. So
That's going to cut down on your roadway too, isn't it?
a little bit, yeah. Unless he's talking about, well, maybe not. Maybe the switch he's talking. That's the switch he's talking about. So there is a switch. Yeah, that other one, yeah, because that's on the line itself. So it is that far switch right there. So when we do these two right here, we'll also be doing that one with the motor operator. So again, when we do the motor operator, I'm telling you, it's bad. And it's the worst part is in that back corner. That's the worst.
That's worse.
Back in the back, because all of it kind of drains that way. Up here, it's not quite as bad unless we get like some drenching, soaking rain.
Feels pretty bad.
Yeah. But it's like that all year round. It never dries out.
So is there just two MODs?
Yep. So on this side, we'll probably be going into this one right here. So we'll have to cut across here, trench it. And I'm sure there's all kinds of shit in the ground here. So this is more like the hydroaxis. So it'll be going into this.
Oh, there's another gate down there too.
Yeah, we can. That's what I was gonna go look and see where they put. I know our switches are down here. I just don't know exactly where they
I think aren't they right over there?
Oh yeah, there they are right there.
And
All but 3 of them, yeah. Yeah, so you guys can, more than likely, because we'll have a mobile here, you guys will access over there, and then we can just open this gate. Work it from that side. Yeah, there is another gate down there. I'm thinking that's another 3-week outage. Hopefully quicker, but we'll see. Other than that, I don't know what other questions you guys might have.
Pretty straightforward.
It's just gonna be time consuming.
Any work required to get into the mobile that you're setting up? Coming off the bus or anything?
For us?
For us.
Oh no. No, what we'll do is we'll set a circuit switcher, trailer right here,
Yep.
and then the mobile. So when you guys are working on this line, we'll go ahead and make our connection,
Okay.
and then we'll tie it into our bus over here. We'll do
Okay.
all that.
Okay.
And then once we get to done with this, we'll probably have to take a day, take this line back out to disconnect everything, and then we'll move on with that.
You added in any type of protections for ADM protections or road protections?
Not for the 230 stuff.
Basically, yeah.
Yep. Yeah, these structures, I don't know how level they're going to be, because I know some of these, we can't even get these switches open without like a pipe wrench, and yeah, everything's bound up so bad, and so I'm sure the structures have got to be moving, because you'll come in here, like right now, you can see all the foundations. In the wintertime when it all freezes, the gravel's 6 inches above the foundations. I mean, it just heaves.